Unbelievable, my lovely, wonderful people. So there is a serious matter going on. If you know Akeredolu very well, the governor of Ondo State, sadly, he's not feeling too well at the moment. Yes, Akeredolu is is in the hospital. Some said it was so bad that he has to be flown immediately to Germany. That's what we heard. And normally he was supposed to hand over to the deputy governor. However, he did not. What happened and what we saw is that the he did not hand over. His son, who is his chief of staff, is now the one who has taken over leadership, which ought not to be so. Is wrong. What is wrong is wrong. There's no other name for it. But what we are hearing now, the bigger picture is that Akeredolu family or allies are not happy with the deputy governor and they want to have him replaced. They said the Speaker of the House is more loyal to Akeredolu, and so they want to have the deputy governor removed, who constitutionally should be the governor if Akeredolu is not there. They want to remove him secretly so that they can be the one, to pick the speaker so that he can be subject to them. Yes? So this is exactly what is happening. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like or share, subscribe. Ondo Assembly crisis, masterminded to remove deputy governor, make speaker the state governor amidst Akeredolu illness. Sources told Sahara reporters that there is a plot to ensure the deputy governor, who constitutionally should become the acting governor should the governor be indisposed, is impeached to prevent him from taking the position of acting governor while the governor is away. The current crisis in Ondo House of Assembly is all part of a plot to remove the deputy governor of the state, Lucky, following Akeredolu Rotimi deteriorating health condition, Sahara Reporters has learnt. Sources told Sahara Reporters that there is a plot to ensure that the deputy governor, who is constitutionally should be the acting governor, should be removed should the governor become indisposed. The plot is to impeach him to prevent him from ascertaining or getting that position. Section 191, subsection 1 of the Nigerian Constitution states that the deputy governor of the state should hold the office of the governor of the state if the office of the governor becomes vacant by reason of death, resignation, impeachment, permanent incapacity or removal of the governor from office for any reason in accordance with section 188 or 189 of the Constitution. Earlier on Friday, there have been reports that the State House of Assembly Speaker, Bami Dele, had resigned from his position, saying, you are aware this honorable house has always discharged its constitutional obligation as one indivisible family. That was the spirit that prompted me to the exalted position as the speaker. It is in the light of this same spirit that I resigned from the position. He, however, issued a statement on Friday saying the reports were fake. In a statement, he said the deputy governor said that the deputy governor said that statement was not from him. The proposed letter of resignation did not emanate from me, as it has been forged to pave way for them to come in. Meanwhile, armed policemen have taken over the House of the Assembly. The Ondo State House Speaker resignation was masterminded to remove the deputy governor so that the speaker could be governor, since Akeredolu is said to be in critical condition. The new speaker is said to come from Owo, according to the plot, a source told Sahara Reporters on Friday. The speaker has urged security agencies to investigate the letter, saying it emanated from his enemy, working against the existing peace in the country. The proposed resignation is no doubt the fragment of imagination of those who are parading evil, and they are acting in all ways to destroy the peace of this nation, with members of the House of Assembly and members of Akeredolu family. Let me tell members of the public, and the proposed letter of resignation did not emanate from me, as it was forged to pave way for them. Yes, the family of Akeredolu, did not seem to be in touch or do not like me, and so wants me out at all costs. So my lovely, wonderful people, this is what is happening. We can see that things are becoming rather very serious. Akeredolu's deputy, they want him out. And so a letter came that he has said he's leaving, or, and that, he's leaving and what have you. But the guy has come out to say he did not write the letter. Apparently, he said that some people do not want him, they do not want him as a deputy governor, and he pointed to some family members of the governor, that's Akeredolu, and members of the House of Assembly who are working in every way humanly speaking possible to see him out of the way so that he can pave way for them. He said, but that letter was fake. It was not from him. He never, have worked or planned with those people or written any letter that he is well able enough to come out and read it. So they know that the governor, the state is very serious. By the way, this is not the first deputy governor Akeredolu is trying to discharge. Remember the very first the deputy governor that worked with him. Remember what happened? It's not the same deputy governor that is with him now. No, it's not the same. Still, Akeredolu family, according to the deputy governor, do not like this deputy governor, and so they want him out in case anything happens. If anything happens, he's still the deputy governor. Constitutionally, he'll become the governor. But they said the guy is high-hearted. The guy is behaving somehow, and the guy, wants some things for himself. So the guy is not doing well. So the guy is not doing well at all. So this is rather causing, very serious matters and issues, and everybody is wondering, okay, where we go from here. So this is what is happening, and right now, everybody, you can see that, in Nigeria today, some people take government property to become their personal one. They don't follow the constitutional guide on how things should go because they feel that they have a say, and the other person, the masses, have no say. They've forgotten that the mandate was given to them by the masses. All of a sudden, they get there, they become the lord of the mandate, and they undermine the people who put them there. If not the way Nigeria is, that we don't follow law and order, we can sign a petition that can remove people that are not working. Okay? If a particular number do not want you, you should be gone. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.